Welcome. Thank you for your interest in WCL, a new revolutionary crypto marketing company and its innovative and transformative vision for the future. WCL stands for World Crypto Life for crypto lifestyle. Anytime, anywhere, online, offline, and locally or globally. Are you ready, crypto lifestyle? Our ever-changing world requires daily reflection and innovation to stay ahead of the curve. From its infancy, the internet has been a frontier of information and commerce, aiding the growth of mobile communications, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality. We are convinced that open blockchain and innovative fintechs are the next future that will cut across all industries and human lives. We want to simplify and streamline everyone's access to secure, reliable financial, social, and data transactions that will take full advantage of these emerging technologies. Our IMC, a blockchain utility token, for example, features faster and more secure transactions, enabling instant, low-cost payments to and from anyone, anywhere in the world. We want to put the monetary power back into the hands of you, the people. One of our advantages is that IMC will be backed by on- and offline communities that already have tens of thousands of ready-to-use customers, including the G-Point community. G-Point community has its own G-Point ecosystem, combined with online G-Point shopping mall, offline G-Point certificate networks, and G-Point special services. By swapping with G-Points, IMC has immediate capability for everyday life. With IM Exchange, an international crypto exchange and numerous partners, IMC becomes a cryptocurrency backed up by communities which have platforms and population that make IMC usable in the marketplaces and the communities. It means IMC has a ready-to-use member group in the real world, so that IMC will take a lot less time to be a major cryptocurrency. The IM Exchange is being operated in the state of Wyoming, USA. IM Exchange's most prominent milestone has been the establishment of a global method of banking with the Bank of America, powered by IM Fin Services LLC, that is accessible all around the world for users by having a major US bank account and debit card. We welcome utilization of our IMC by users like you in North America, South America, across Asia, and around the globe. WCL provides 6 different revenue streams. WCL has a unique and innovative, lucrative global system. We know we must do this the right way and in a sustainable fashion that will serve as the industry standard for decades to come. While moving quickly to take advantage of market opportunities can be important, it is more important that we move in the right direction, and we're making sure that we do that. With your participation, WCL will be at the leading edge of this new frontier. Let us move forward together.